Nunavut, when I look at the sea and the ice or the water and I look out, I think of home. I am Alexia Galloway Alenga. I'm 20 years old from Nunavut.
I'm Kristen Angangay Khamnak. I grew up in Nunavut for my whole life and I'm living in Ottawa for school.
The other day I did my first ocean/polar dive right off of Dunluvo Island, Devon Island. And it was amazing. We got to go down among some sea ice, and I saw some kaniok, some sculpins. You could see where the rocks ended, you could see the sand, you could see all the kelp. At one point we looked up and we could see some ice right above us. I've never been under it, so that was probably one of the highlights of that dive for me.
Just to be surrounded by ice, like from Nunavut, like my home territory, not many people from here get to say that they've done that, and I guess even experienced divers around the world can't say that. It was overall just quite an experience. Let's say I was a young girl and I saw Inuit women doing diving, I would be interested and want to learn from them. I want more young women to be open to adventuring and getting out of any of their comfort zones.
It's empowering because you have to trust yourself and you have to know what you're doing when you're diving. This overall journey has really taught me more about myself and my own limits, even in things that I want to do and things I want to learn and when I want to challenge myself. I'm thankful to have had this opportunity